Hello, I'm Mike Levy, and in this video, I'd like to briefly explain what a marketing metric is. Someone asked, can you give an example of marketing metrics? Put it simply, a marketing metric is a framework that quantifies a specific outcome or result from a marketing investment or activity. These frameworks are very important because they help small manufacturing enterprise business owners gauge and calibrate whether their marketing dollars are being put to good use. Kind of like a monitor or a gauge on a machine. It's no different. The marketing metrics should spring from stated marketing objectives, and I just made another video about those if you want to see that. Marketing objectives are quantifiable, outcome-based goals that are created as part of a strategic marketing plan. Well, you have to have some way of communicating the performance to date against the overall objectives in the plan. Hence, a set of marketing metrics serves as a tool to help a marketer communicate progress toward marketing ROI that the business owner is putting at risk in terms of a marketing spend in a marketing campaign. I just delivered a marketing plan for a GENEDGE client. As part of that plan, I included suggested frameworks for measurement and tracking once that plan begins to execute. Some of those metrics included, very broadly, total interesteds. And I actually have that broken down into total interesteds per channel, total new qualified opportunities, otherwise known as marketing qualified leads, conversion rates, which is the sales qualified lead, the number of sales qualified leads divided by the marketing qualified leads, and channel effectiveness, just to name a few. It is absolutely essential that the owner of a small manufacturing enterprise have some type of measurement system and metrics in place to hold their marketing people accountable for return on the owner's marketing spend. If you don't have that in place, start the conversation with your marketing team today, or if you have an outsourced provider, make sure that they're able to track and quantify what they're doing with your money. Thank you for watching, and if you want more information, you can just call GenEdge and we'll try to walk you through it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.